Hi guys, my name is Grace, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my basic setup for my Android phone, and this is just part of a series of me showing you guys how I set up and film with my Android phone, which I'm using this Spark 4. By the way, it's not even the Spark 5, and many people complain that they need an iPhone or they need a Samsung to film, and I'm going to teach you guys how I use a Techno phone. You can use an Infinix, you can use Gioni and every other thing, and this is just my mini stand. It is actually like a mini ring light. It's very cheap, but I don't really use the ring light because it does not really illuminate, so I use window light instead, because this is going to help when you are editing your videos. My background is virtually very basic, and I have a mirror right in front of me so that I can actually see my phone screen, because I normally use the back camera to film, because the back camera is the best camera in an Android phone or an iPhone or any phone in general. They always put the best camera at the back. And then this is like my basic background, nothing expensive, just something very basic. And I have my table in front of me, my reading table, to make it easier for me to put my notes, because I actually write down notes so I don't forget what I'm saying. And yeah, it's my mirror, my like mini background. Everything is just basic and simple. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. If you want to start a background, you can use a cup as a stand. You don't really necessarily need to get this kind of stand. You can actually use a tripod, selfie stick. Just place your phone in a way that it will be balanced. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did, please subscribe, like, because I'll be uploading more videos like this. I love you guys so much. Bye.